Hi, I'm Jimmy. Welcome back to another on-the-road video with ApplianceVideo.com.
Stop! Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water.
Okay, what we're looking at today is a Whirlpool dishwasher. What the problem was is that it was poor washability. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace the OVI sensor. Tools needed for this repair is a flathead screwdriver. Okay, first thing we're going to remove the kick panel. Just take a screwdriver and little button clips. Okay, I'm going to remove the OVI sensor by just turning it, and then it pops out. I'm going to remove the harness out of the OVI sensor. I'm going to put the harness on the new OVI sensor. And then you just turn it and it locks into place. Okay, now we're going to put our kick panel back on. And that will complete the repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.